This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first concrete actions. SSH into the Azure VM using the public IP and your key. Make sure ports 22 and 80 are open. Once connected, update packages and install Node and Git so you can pull code. Meanwhile, locally run npm run build to produce an optimized production bundle. Once the bundle exists, copy it to the VM with SCP or use git clone. This gets your static assets onto the server and begins the deployment flow. Now you configure the VM to serve the React build and automate runs. Install and configure Nginx. Point root to the build folder, use try files to serve index. HTML for SBA routing, and enable gzip for performance. Once Nginx is set, use certbot for SSL if you have a domain, otherwise keep HTTP for testing. If you prefer a Node server, start it with PM2 and create a startup script. Then validate file permissions, test endpoints with curl, and iterate until responses look correct. Finish by validating access and automating reliability. Point DNS to the VM IP, confirm Azure Network Security Group rules and VM firewall permit 80/443, and then reload Nginx. Once done, set up a CI pipeline to build and push the bundle automatically. This reduces manual steps. If something breaks, check Nginx and PM2 logs immediately. Inspect Browser Console for 404s from routing and test curl responses. One key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.